Today, someone has decided to become a vandal. He has a key in his hand and he's about to do some terrible things with it. So how do we prevent people like these? Well, paint protection films is the solution. We are here at Magnus Pro today to find out more, so let's go. Now, I've heard a lot about paint protection films. In fact, it is one of the best ways to protect your car's paint. But the thing is, it is a very long and tedious process, and there's a lot of room for error. But Magnus Pro is quite different. Let me tell you why. Usually when it comes to paint protection films, it is all manually cut on the car. So that leaves room for a lot of errors. You can even cut the car's paint if you're not careful. But when it comes to Magnus Pro, all their films are digitally plotted and printed. So it leaves very little room for error and leaves proper protection for your car, including the trims. I've never seen anyone do this, and you don't have to use a knife and cut it out. It fits perfectly. And because of this, you can even do interior trim pieces. You only can do this with Magnus Pro. It isn't just about protecting your paint when it comes to paint protection films. It can offer a very nice and deep gloss, just like you see over here. In fact, this is the best I've seen when it comes to paint protection films and gloss. I think Magnus Pro has done a good job in offering a very nice and deep gloss. And because we are talking about detailing, this also has water beading effects. Just look at that, those water beads. The main reason why people actually get paint protection films fitted onto their car is, well, because they want to protect their car's paint. But the result may not be as what you expect it to be. Now over here, this car has a few different paint protection films installed, and right here, half of the bonnet of course, is Magnus Pro. And as you can tell, the color is still retained when it comes to Magnus Pro films. It's still white, not yellow. Now, let's find out if this really protects the car. Unfortunately, I do have a vandal and he's about to approach Magnus Pro's test car, and he's enjoying himself actually vandalizing this car. But I don't have to be worried, because the thing is about Magnus Pro PPF is that it does come with self-healing properties. So if you actually scratch the PPF, it disappears after a while, which is quite amazing to see. And it's not just because it has self-healing properties. The fact of the matter is that the film itself is quite thick. If you compare it to the car's paint, the car's paint is only about 100 to 180 microns in thickness, whereas Magnus Pro's PPF is about 215 microns in thickness. So with that thickness alone, it's already protecting your paint. Not bad. As you can tell, when it comes to installing paint protection films, it is a very labor-intensive process. But if you get the right people to do it, you will enjoy the fullest kind of paint protection and of course, the deep gloss that comes with it. Special thanks of course to Magnus Pro for letting us check out how they do it and how they do it right. And if you want to find out more, check out the link below. And don't forget, Magnus Pro does come with a 6-year warranty that protects against peeling and delamination. So, I will see you guys next time. Till then, goodbye. Hey, show. Carry on, carry on. Enjoy.